Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for $20. And today we're going to do something sweet and healthy. I am going to attempt to make the infamous avocado pudding. This is easy. This is quick. It'll fix the sweet tooth. And it's also good for your kids. So if you no longer want to use like the packaged puddings that you can get them budget friendly. You can get them like at the Dollar Tree and all those natures. But if you want something that you know that you will be confident in the ingredients, this is what you need. Now, the typical avocado pudding is avocado, milk, and cacao. But me, I like to do a little razzle dazzle. I like for it to be, decadent, but on a budget. So I decided that I'm going to try using a coconut whipping cream, a splash of my Elmhurst chocolate to give it a little boom pow. I also have these coconut oat milk chocolate chunks made with a coconut sugar to add a little bit of sweetness. And I'm going to melt these down and add to it. And then we're going to top it off with a little bit of coconut and a little bit of almond. So yeah. Oh, and we're going to use the tried and true NutriBullet. Like this thing right here. I love NutriBullet product. So I've added avocado, melted chocolate, and the coconut cream for the first blend. And we're gonna see how this works because I don't know if I put too much in there or not. But if it comes out thick, we have a winner. If not, we gotta go back to the drawing board. Do we have a winner? We got a winner! Okay, so this is a chocolate avocado pudding, and its garnish is coconut, pomegranate seeds, and almonds. So let's see what we did. Ooh, look at that. I like it. It's fluffy. Really good.